SLR CAMERAS framework for founders yearly planning. S stands for success peak as a founder you want to achieve. L for list of milestones that you have to achieve for that. R for the resources required. For example, if you are running a manufacturing company, the raw material, the employees, and the expertise required. And C is for categorization based on the domain. A for assign the milestones in quarterly 1, quarterly 2, quarterly 3, quarterly 4. M for add a mitigation plan. E for evaluation and estimation. R for review it. And A for actually visualize the success from the start to end. And S for simulate it through flow diagram and schedule it.